This trader here has made 6,139.98%. If I've copied this trade by clicking on copy trade here, I will have made the same. Now let me break it down for you. So we'll have 6,139.98% divided by 365 will give us 16.82% per day times 30. That is 504% in 30 days. So theoretically, if I copy this trader with $750, I will have grown my money to 3,784.9%. That is me making approximately $100 per day. Practically, this might not be the case precisely because even though this trader has gotten this result, I will have to start copying his trade from the very first day to achieve the same result. Now, what I want to do in this video is two things. One, show you how to copy other people's trade to achieve similar outcome with the click of a button. And two, show you how to set up a great trading bot to trade for you on autopilot. This includes knowing the right coin to select and the right grid parameters to choose. I will start with the second one, how to set up a grid trading bot. Now the exchange I'm going to be using today is Bybit. I left the link in the description. Use it to sign up. Make sure you use it to sign up. Now, there is something you have to know, which is that grid trading is best used in the ranging market. So a market can be trending, that is either going up, which we call an up trending market, or going down, which we call a down trending market, or the market can be ranging, that is it is going sideways in this case. To set up a grid trading bot, you have to know what they are. They are basically bots that places buy and sell orders for you on autopilot at intervals that you have chosen. Again, the bot buys low and sells high continuously on autopilot within the range you have chosen. Let me throw more light here. Suppose the coin sold, which is Solana, is ranging between $30 to $36 and the current market price of Solana is $33. I could set up my parameters this way. Spot pair is sold USDT, market price is $33, upper price is 36, lower is 30, number of grid is 6, and interval is 1. A number of grid, I have to choose it myself, right? So I'm choosing 6. And interval, if you check 30 to 31, 32, those are the intervals. So the interval is 1 here, and this is based on the fact that I choose the grid number of grid to be 6. Now my total investments I want to put inside this trade is $600. What happens is that my total investment will be divided by 6, which is a number of grid, right? And that is $100. This will be used to place each of my trade. Now, if I activate the bot using these parameters and the market drops to $32, this is an interval of 1. Sold will be bought at $32 and a sell order will automatically be placed at $33. If it falls further to $31, another sold will be bought here and a sell order will be placed at $32. If the price then moves up to $32, the order bought at 31 will be sold and a buy order automatically placed at 31 waiting for it to drop. If it rises further to 33, the coin bought at 32 will be sold and another order, buy order, will be placed at $32. So this happens continuously, making me a profit of 3.33% with each buy and sell order according to my settings. Now, when the price goes out of range, that is above 36 or below 30, the bot will stop trading. Bybit will send me an alert if this happens. Then I can choose to wait for the price to get back to the range or close the bot and open another one with a new parameter. Let's go to the Bybit app and let me show you how this is done. So if you go to Bybit, right now, this is a home page. To open copy trading or grid trading, you click on trading bot here, right? So you have grid trading bots. You also have DCA. DCA is dollar cost averaging, but that is not the subject of our tutorial today. Now, if you click on this grid trading bot here, so this is BIT USDT, so this is BitDAO token and USDT. So this is where you input your parameters, right? Lower price, upper price, number of grid, it can be 2 to 100, then this is your total investment, right? Now, if you click on this drop down arrow here, it will show you different coins you can trade, you can do with grid trading. So how do you know the coin to pick? The coin you pick is a coin that is ranging, right? I've said that before. How do you confirm this? Let us look at Solana, for example. If you click on Solana here, if you click on it, it's going to show you this. But since this is the market Solana USDT, I want to go to the Bybit spot market to actually look at the chart. Okay, so if I go back here and I go back to the home page, I click on this trade here. Then, okay, this, for example, this is BTC USDT market, right? But I want to show you the SOL USDT market. I click on the BTC USDT, then click on SOL. Now, what we're looking for is SOL USDT, right? It's not Solo USDT, it's not SOL3, it is SOL USDT. Let me click on it. So you can see what the market is doing. This is the 1 hour time frame. I can choose to go to the 4 hour time frame. This is actually pretty ranging. So it has bottom of 30, top of 34, and this has been happening for the past. If you look at the bottom, you can see the date here. This is 24th of September. If you go down here, it's 18th of September. So you can actually track the dates below. You can also see that this is between here. It is still 30.50 and 38.98. So you can see that this market is actually ranging, right? Reasonably ranging. So I can actually trade Solana. So if I choose my bottom now to be 30, right? And my top is, I'm looking for where it's tighter. Let me click on this. So if I choose my top to be 38 and my bottom to be 30, but this is not the coin I actually want to trade. I want to trade BTC. But I'm just trying to show you that you can easily spot a ranging market, right? If you check other coins, you can see those that are not ranging. Let me click on this sweat. I don't know if it's ranging, so this is actually definitely not ranging. Okay, this is actually a new coin. So I won't trade this coin because it's new, and again, it's not in the Bybit spot trading market. But the coin I want to trade here is BTC. So you can see I can take only this period, right? The bottom is 18,137. If I take this point, I want to take this like drawing a support here. You can see the bottom here is like my support is 18,404. Now guys, when trading a coin in grid trading, choose a coin that is strong. Bitcoin is strong. If it falls, it will always rise. Choose that kind of coin. So I want to choose this, draw this support line here. So this is 18,442. I'll choose this as my lower price. I can draw this up again. Now, if I'm Bybit, just tap on this, just tap on the screen to bring you this so I can move around. I'll choose this as this 19,000 because it's ranging between this and this. I'll choose this 19,565 as my upper price. So what I'll do now is to bring out my percentage calculator to do some calculation. Right, you can download this on Apple Store or Play Store. If I click on changes here, now the lower price is 18,442 and the upper price is 19,562. So this is actually a 6%, right? It's 6%. So what I could do is to bring this calculator and do maybe 6 divided by 2, that is 3. So in this case, I will make my interval 3 to be able to trade this market. I'll just make my interval 3 because 6 divided by 3 is 2%. It means that for each trade I will be making about 2%. Do you get that? Now let's go to Bybit, back to Bybit, and actually place this trade. So first I have to get money in my wallet. So if you click on assets here, I already have money here, but if you don't have money, what you do just to click on deposit here and click on say USDT. The wallet is going to come out. Then you can actually send coin to that wallet using any of the network you like here. Once you do that, let's go back to the bot by clicking on trading bot. I'm going to select grid, of course. Then the coin I want to trade is BTC, right? BTC USDT. Click on it. The lower price we came up with is 18,442. The upper price is 19,565, and the interval we want to use is 3, right? So the interval range is 373 USDT. So my profit is between 1.94 to 2.02%. Now mind you that Bybit actually takes a fee of about 0.1, so the Bybit transaction fee has already been taken out to give you this estimated profit. Now I can now enter the amount I want to enter this trade with. I want to enter $100. Then I can now create, click on create now, and that is it. So that is how I set up my trading bots. My bots will start trading for me. So you can see I have two. The one that is called spot grid bots, right? And this one I just created now. So this is how my bots start trading for me. Now if it happens that my bot goes out of range or the price goes out of range, I will receive an alert in my email. The second thing I want to show you here is how to copy someone else's trade. Let's say you don't want the hassle of doing all this yourself. You just want to copy someone else's trade with a click of a button. This is how you do it. Now to copy someone else's trade, it's pretty straightforward. We go back to trading bots. So you can see all the persons we can copy their trade. Like this person is 6,407%. Mind you, he has already achieved this result. He has been trading for 31 days and 124 persons are copying his trade. So these are persons who can actually copy their trade. So to copy any person's trade here, let's say I want to copy this new guy, right? 13 days. I'll just click on copy. Then I will enter the amount I want to copy his trade with. Let's say I want to copy his trade with $50 here, right? You can even see his parameters. Price range is between this and this. The coin is trading this Dodge USDT, and you can see that the number of grade is 3. So to copy here, just click on enter the amount I want to copy trade with, click on confirm, create, and that is it. I am copying his trade. It is that simple. Having a bot trade for you is awesome. However, if you want to learn about futures trading and how to trade futures profitably, then watch this next video.